The Nothing CMF Phone 2 has been creating quite a buzz in the tech world. Known for its sleek designs and innovative features, the Nothing brand continues to turn heads. The CMF Phone 2 is no exception, and today we'll be diving into its key highlights, from its unique camera layout to its budget-friendly pricing. One of the standout features of the CMF Phone 2 is its three-lens camera design. The third lens is positioned near the two main cameras, adding a touch of uniqueness to its overall look and functionality. For photography enthusiasts, this layout could mean a versatile camera setup to capture moments with clarity and style. Compact smartphones are making a comeback, and the CMF Phone 2 is a great example. With a display size estimated to be between 5.3 to 5.5 inches, it offers a perfect balance of portability and functionality. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prefer smaller, more pocket-friendly devices without compromising on performance. The phone also retains its signature modular backplate design, a feature loved by users of the CMF Phone 1. This removable backplate not only gives the phone a distinct style, but also opens up the possibility of adding third-party accessories for enhanced customization. When it comes to performance, the CMF Phone 2 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. This is an upgrade from its predecessor, which featured the MediaTek Dimensity 7300. This shift hints at improved performance and efficiency, making it more capable of handling everyday tasks and beyond. Aesthetics play a crucial role in smartphone appeal, and the CMF Phone 2 doesn't disappoint. A new blue color variant is expected, continuing the trend set by the CMF Phone 1. This vibrant option adds a fresh touch to the phone's design and is sure to attract attention. Despite all these impressive features, the phone remains surprisingly affordable. The pricing is expected to align with the CMF Phone 1, which launched at 15,999 Indian rupees or about $184. This makes the CMF Phone 2 a strong contender for those seeking high-quality features at a budget-friendly price. Lastly, the Nothing CMF Phone 2 is anticipated to launch this April. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and competitive pricing, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Keep an eye out for more updates as the launch date approaches. To wrap up, the Nothing CMF Phone 2 is a compact, stylish, and affordable option that ticks all the right boxes. With features like a three-lens camera, modular design, and powerful performance, it's a phone worth considering. If you're as excited as we are, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tech news and updates.